Today I'm going to be showing you this rechargeable electric nail file from Suzie, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how you have a chance to win it. This nail file comes in the most beautiful green color, and it has a belt clip on the back so you can attach it to your body while you're working. If you want to see me unbox this product, I will link the video in the corner here now. But before you go, make sure you subscribe so that we can be together for more videos like this. The kit comes with 8 drill bits. 6 of them are for the natural nail or the cuticle. There's a ceramic one, and there's also a safety carbide bit. There's a forward and reverse setting, so you can use this if you are right-handed or left-handed. And all of the safety information is printed on the bottom. The cable is soft and flexible, which makes it easy to work with, and I will admit I was a little bit obsessed. To unlock the handpiece, all you need to do is slide the grip over to the unlock position, and then you can put your drill bits into the top before locking them into place. I'll be using this carbide bit to remove my gel polish, and the RPMs go all the way up to 35,000, which makes it really easy to remove any kind of product from your nails. It's super high powered and it is not going to cut out on you like many others on the market. Because I'm using the safety carbide bit, I'm able to get really close to my cuticle area with no risk of cutting the skin. This electric nail file is powerful. It has low vibrations and it's very quiet. To be honest, I love it, but not as much as I love you guys. So today I'm going to be giving it away. This giveaway is for the Sparkle Plus rechargeable electric nail file from Suzie. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to this YouTube channel, Nails with Courtney Crosbie, like and follow Suzie on all of their social media. I'll put the links in the description box below. And finally, tell me something random in the comments. If you don't comment, I won't know that you have entered, so please make sure that you tell me something random. Full terms and conditions apply. See the description box for details. And that's it from me for now. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you again very shortly for another nail video. Bye for now.